Well, one of the ways that we have tried to take the emphasis of Christmas off of gifts and material things and all that kind of stuff is to introduce new traditions. And so one of our traditions that we've been doing for the last couple years is to make gingerbread houses and have a really simple way to make them out of graham crackers. Super easy, super inexpensive, but this is one of their favorite things that we do all Christmas long now. It's gonna be a lot of fun. The kids are super excited, so they're like, hurry up, Mom, we wanna get started. So here we go. That is very bright pink.
It is.
Do you want to hold up your little dog that you're gonna put into the?
Yeah.
All right. So that is, you're making a dog house?
Yep. Super excited.
So like I said, we've come up with a really simple way to make the gingerbread houses out of graham crackers. So you need 4 graham crackers per house, and you just break 2 of them in half for the sides and the roof, and then 2 of them you actually have to cut like the gable of the roof into it. So I just use a serrated knife and kind of saw back and forth, and 9 out of 10 times I don't break the graham crackers and they work out just fine. Then we're gonna use frosting to connect them, and I just put the frosting in a gallon Ziploc bag, and then I pipe it along the sides of the gable pieces of the houses, and then stick the sidewalls onto it. And then I put on a bunch of frosting on the top and put the roof on. Then I'll let them sit for 2 to 3 hours so the frosting can set up and harden. And then they're actually really stable. And then the kids can get started decorating them and they hold together really well. We're not gonna eat these, but still try and not stick your fingers in the stuff too much, okay? All right, so I got Gagey with some candy on his plate. These are the Lego candy pieces and some other candy. I'm gonna put some frosting on, buddy, and then I'm gonna let you stick the pieces on, okay? All right. So here's some that we did in past years, just really traditional style gingerbread houses. And then we also did these emoji ones, which were really fun. And then this year we basically went to the dollar store and the kids kind of picked out some stuff that they wanted to do. So we found these really cool Lego gummies. So Gagey is gonna do a Lego one. Corbin picked out Rubble from Paw Patrol. And then we're gonna do a unicorn one. And then Adeline has this little dog, so she's gonna make like a dog house, gingerbread house. All right, oh, you need one more candy to cover the roof? Okay, I'll get you one more. Let's see. Hey, that is looking very cool, Gage. Good work.
And I did the roof.
You did the roof? Yep. Roof? How are you supposed to say roof?
Roof.
Roof, not roof. All right. For Corbin, we're picking out all the yellow candy, yellow and brown for him. All right, we got some. And so like I said, you can actually find all of this stuff at the dollar store. So oh, well, these are from Aldi. They have graham crackers at the dollar store. These are from Aldi. Aldi is the least expensive place I found to find them. This is the frosting that you can get at the dollar store, and you could easily make and decorate 4 to 6 gingerbread houses just with that. And then of course it's really easy to get candy at the dollar store too. We have our traditional spice drops, of course. And then because we're gonna be doing unicorns, we got the cones from Walmart. And then what else I really like at Walmart is they make colored frosting. So we got a pink one and a yellow one. And that's kind of nice. You can obviously just mix in food coloring, but it's kind of nice to have the pre-mixed colors too if you don't have a ton of time and you're in a little bit of a hurry. I also got this really fun candy at the dollar store that we're gonna use to make like doors and different things on the houses too. All right, Gage, so you wanna make a door out of green?
Oh yeah.
Green for Gagey. All right, let me get you, here's a scissors so you can cut it.
2.
Corbin is busy putting candy on his. Gage is getting his door on. Can you push it on a little more, buddy? Here.
Okay.
Good job. All right, Maggie wanted to put her own frosting on. How's it going? You're eating it. You're supposed to be putting it on the gingerbread house.
Yes, I know.
All right, you're doing well. Keep going. All right, and Adeline's gonna get started with hers. How are you gonna do yours?
I think first I'm just gonna outline where I want to put the candies, and then I'll like put on the door and stuff.
All right, that's a cute looking door. And then are you gonna try and stick some of these bones onto the house? So let's focus. That is gonna be very cute.
Little bone.
Yeah, I want to put one up front right here.
Yeah. Maggie's got her pastel colored candy for a unicorn. I like it.
I'm making Christmas lights.
Awesome. Good work. Oops, yeah. Do you need some frosting for the door?
Yep.
Okay. Cool. You want to put on a couple more?
Yeah, I'm putting some on me.
Okay.
But don't put chocolate chips.
Yeah, that's looking cool.
And I'm gonna make, I need a door handle.
A door handle. Awesome. Wow, Maggie.
I want to drop connect it here. Drop off my chocolate here.
That looks cool. Gagey's eating frosting. All right, let's see what Adeline's doing over here. Adeline likes order and patterns and right? Yep. That looks cool.
You have to come off of my house so I can repair the.
Oh, you just used some of the frosting from the other part to put the doorknob on?
Yeah.
I'm gonna add extra frosting around the border of the rim.
Yeah. Cool.
And that looks super cute.
Yep.
Okay.
The house.
He's walking into the house? Yes, he is.
Mom. I have a candy. I have a
Matches the house, Gage.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good.
Because breed window and breed.
Ooh, what are you putting on the sides?
I made siding out of these wafer cookie things.
Siding, I like it.
Did I do the other side with frosting yet or not?
Nope.
Okay, couldn't remember. Done.
Your masterpiece is complete? Ooh. All right, so the kids just finished up their gingerbread houses, so I'm gonna make a couple of my own so I can add some fresh pictures to my blog post. So you might wanna make an extra gingerbread house for yourself too. They're actually really fun to decorate. But I started doing a unicorn one since Maggie's unicorn turned into a church, which is just fine. I used black gel frosting from Walmart for the eyes. It does not harden, so I don't know if I would recommend that. I am gonna use some of these Smarty candy canes that I got from the dollar store. And candy canes, they're pretty good about breaking where you want them to if you score them with a knife. So that's worked well for me in the past. If you want to use any candy canes, they can be kind of fun too. So for my unicorn, I'm just going to use anything I have that's pastel colored, and I don't know, see if I can figure out something for the ears, and hopefully it'll look unicorny when I'm done. I'm also gonna make another Lego one, and I just got this base plate at the dollar store, so I thought it would be kind of nice to build it on here, and then it'll be super easy to move around. All right, and then the last one I'm gonna make real quick is one with Rubble from Paw Patrol. And so I just got some of the inexpensive Oreo cookies from the dollar store, and I'm gonna pound them up so that they look like dirt, because Rubble probably needs some dirt around his house, right? Looks like dirt to me. I also made a printable topper with the directions, so you could make little gingerbread house kits. I have a blog post about it, which is really fun if you have other kids that you want to share this idea with, and you can put whatever kind of decorations in it in the bag that you want. So I'll link to that down below. All right, well, those are our gingerbread houses. I will link to the directions, and sorry, no Tom today. He is actually helping my family farm, so you can see what they're up to over on the Trucks and Tractors channel. Thank you everyone who's been stopping by there. I guess there's been some fun stuff going on with changing tires and spreading lime. It's not snow. It looks like snow, but that's not snow they're spreading. It's different. So thank you for checking that out. We hope that you have a great weekend. A thumbs up is always appreciated. We hope you subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll look forward to visiting with you again soon.